Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Appreciate your time and your support. The Motorola Razr Flip Phone 2020. Woo! It's a good looking smartphone. It's really cool that they're able to bring back a device for nostalgic purposes and have a lot of what we have today as far as technology in that specific smartphone. Even though it's not heavily spec'd, and there's been some criticism about that specific area and the price point attached to it. Anyway, so my daughter and I went out to lunch, and I noticed after lunch, right up the road, there was a Verizon store, and I asked if she didn't mind if we went up there and had a little hands-on time, and she said, yeah, let's go check it out. So we went up there and shot some video, and I completely forgot to take some pictures. So later on in the day, we went back, and I asked the Verizon rep if he didn't mind if I took some pictures, and he said, no, go ahead. So I did that, and then actually I ended up talking to this rep. Huge shout out to him. He was just very customer friendly, and had a great conversation with him, especially about the Razr Flip phone. And we both shared our thoughts, and we were both pretty much thinking the same thing. Now, I'm not here to talk about specs, even though that's still one of my areas that I wish was a little more heavier in this device. Anyway, I want you to watch the video clips, and I want you to listen to more so my daughter, not so much me, but just through her eyes and what she's seen while she's shooting the video. Listen to her comments. Got a few pictures as well. Now, at the end of a few video clips that I have for you to watch, there's going to be a snippet video clip from CNET, a gentleman that actually unboxed and gave his first impressions. There was an area in that video that really caught my attention, and that's what you're going to watch. And I really want you to look close at that part of the video and just listen, and let me know down below in the comment section what your thoughts are when you realize and what you're getting and for what you're paying. Is it worth it? Is it really worth it? It's great technology. I'm looking forward to the second, third, and fourth generation of the flip phone. There's a lot of controversies with the flip phones, and there's always going to be those of us who point out this or that we hate, we really don't like, or we like it, or we really love it. That's what we do as YouTubers, as techies. We point all these areas out. And I think we should be able to be critical, but being careful to be critical, especially when we're just having a little hands-on time, which is not spending a lot of time with these devices that we don't have in-house. But I spent enough time with this Razr phone yesterday that really got me thinking about what is involved with this specific device. As cool as it looks, and it's nostalgia. It's nostalgia, man. And I would love to have it. And that price point, there's some concerns. But again, you let me know what your thoughts are down below. That's all I want to share. Again, huge shout out to the Verizon rep, man. He was really, really cool, and I hope to talk to him again. And he did subscribe to the channel. Check out the clips, and I'll be looking forward to your feedback. Peace.
But once you pick them up at 2:05, you can ask them. Yeah, so I did an update with Google and I made it so Verizon doesn't know what it activates. And then they should be how they run their app. And so
Can you see the crease? Huh?
Yeah.
But yeah, they must have done an update to their website. I did not change the plan, but February. Still got it there when you click there, just one after the other small print. Sorry, you're not loving the new update.
You can clearly see it though.
Happens a lot.
You can?
Yeah, how it's bent a bit.
You can see the crease in it?
Yeah. Even when it's straight. I don't like that.
Are legendary.
Do you want to see the crease? Sounds rickety.
Yeah, you can hear it definitely. You can totally feel the hinges in there. You can literally feel that. It's crazy. I don't know if I like that. You can just feel it right in there. I mean, you can barely just put your thumb on there. You don't even have to press and feel the hinges. Wow.
It closes nice and tight, but then you open it up and there's no crease here. It's just a nice, smooth plane, which is really cool to see.